How to make handmade soaps step by step. Your complete guide to making soaps from scratch. Welcome to the fascinating world of artisanal soap. In a world increasingly dominated by industrial and synthetic products, creating your own soaps is not only an art but also a way to reconnect with nature, your creativity, and an ancient tradition that has been passed down through generations. Making artisanal soaps is not just a hobby. It is an experience that allows you to care for your skin and that of your loved ones with natural and personalized products. With each bar of soap you create, you are making a conscious choice to avoid the harmful chemicals often found in commercial products, opting instead for gentler, more nourishing, and environmentally friendly options. This book is designed to guide you through every step of the soap making process, from understanding the basic ingredients to creating your own unique recipes. Whether you are a complete beginner or already have some experience in soap making, you will find tips, tricks, and techniques here that will help you perfect your skills and enjoy the creative process. In addition to being a rewarding activity, artisanal soap making can also become a profitable business or a personalized gift that will delight your friends and family. Imagine the pleasure of giving a bar of soap made by you, with a carefully chosen scent and appearance for that special person. Throughout this book, you will discover that making artisanal soaps is much more than simply mixing ingredients. It is a form of personal expression, an act of love towards yourself and others, and a small but significant contribution to a more sustainable and conscious lifestyle. So, without further ado, let us dive into the exciting world of artisanal soap and discover together the art of creating beauty and well-being in every bar. Benefits of making your own soaps. Creating your own artisanal soaps is not only a creative and rewarding activity, but it also offers a range of significant benefits for both your health and the environment. Making your own soaps allows you to have complete control over what you apply to your skin, avoiding artificial and potentially harmful ingredients commonly found in commercial products. By using essential oils, butters, and natural extracts, you not only care for your skin but also provide it with nutrients and therapeutic properties that can improve its health and appearance. Additionally, customization is a key benefit. Every skin type has unique needs, and by creating your own soaps, you can tailor recipes to address those specific needs. This means you can choose ingredients that hydrate, soften, or exfoliate your skin, depending on what you require. The environmental impact is also significant. By opting for natural ingredients and reusable or biodegradable packaging, you contribute to reducing the use of plastics and harmful chemicals that pollute the environment. See the link to the book.